Doctor, spy, soldier. Before the revolution had generals, it had Dr. Joseph Warren, a man who risked everything to ignite the fight for American freedom. Warren wasn't just a patriot, he was the revolution's hidden hero. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Please like, subscribe and share this video and channel. Joseph Warren was born in 1741 in Massachusetts. Trained as a physician, he healed the sick by day, and helped ignite a revolution by night. As a doctor, Warren treated rich and poor alike. He believed liberty and health were linked, that a people oppressed could never truly thrive. Warren became a leader of the Sons of Liberty, writing protests, organizing resistance, and delivering fiery orations against British rule. After the Boston Massacre, Warren delivered the annual oration, standing inches from British offices, openly condemning tyranny. Privately, Warren was a widower and father of 4. He balanced family, medicine, and revolution, knowing each choice carried risk. Warren ran one of the colony's earliest spy networks. In April 1775, he sent Paul Revere and William Dawes racing to warn of British troops. At the Battle of Bunker Hill, Warren refused safety. Though appointed a general, he fought as a common soldier, and was killed in battle. Joseph Warren never saw independence, but without him, it might never have come.